We'll guide you through how to delete contacts from a Google account permanently. You can follow this on a phone or computer, Android or iPhone, it doesn't matter. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So for whatever reason you no longer want one of them, multiple or all of them in your Google account, we're going to guide you through how this can be done. Just remember, if you go and sync these with your phone, they're also going to be removed from there as well. So once they're deleted, you won't be able to get them back, and this is permanent. So make sure you're sure you want to go and do this. So to go and get started, you need to go and head to either google.com or go and open up a Google app, whether that's Google, Gmail, it doesn't matter. So in this case, I'll just do Gmail for this example. Here we go. Wait for it to load. Now what you need to do is go and press your profile icon in the top right. It's important to note you need to make sure you're using the correct Google or Gmail account, as you may go and have multiple. So when you're on this page, you can press switch and then go and switch the one you want to do this with. You can do the same thing on a computer as well in the top right. Then what you need to do is you need to go and find the option for manage your Google account once you have that correct account selected, and that will bring you to the My Google account page essentially. It's where you can go and manage your account. Here we are, it's now loaded. So once you're here, you need to go and find the option for people and sharing. You can then go and tap here and wait for this to load. And then what you need to do is go down and you can go and find contacts. If you can't go and find it, what you can do is go and press the magnifying glass in the top right, wait for this to load, and you can go and type in contacts like so, or even just begin typing it and they should go and appear pretty shortly. As you can see, contacts, people, and sharing. So you can go and tap there, and then this is going to go and open up Google Contacts. So in this case, I'm being asked to go and sign in. I can actually press continue here. Just go wait for this to load, and here they are. At the top, you can go and see I've got 73 there. So what we can then do is swipe that off, and I'll just go and press stay on web. You can go and use the app, but I want to keep this guide broad and go and use it in the web browser. So now if you want to go and start deleting the contacts, what you can do is you can actually go and export them first of all as well. But what you want to do is to go and start selecting them. Go and select the ones you want to do this with. And then what you can do is go to the top right and you can go and press the three dots. So you could always go and export them into a simple file for the future in case you ever want them again. Otherwise, you could hide them, but if you're sure you want to go and delete them, you can go and press delete like so, and then press move to the bin. It says these contacts will be permanently deleted from the account after 30 days. I'll go you through how you can delete them right now though, so press move to the bin. So that's how you can do multiple or one. If you want to go and do them all, then what we're going to do is we're going to go and start selecting just one or two. Then at the top, you've got that arrow, which you want to go and press, and you can then go and press all. And you can see I've got 70 selected. I could press the three dots in the top right and then go and press delete. However, I don't want to go and do that. I delete the ones I want to. And so then what you can do is go and empty the bin. You can go to the top left and press those three lines, go down and find the option for bin. Then you'll go and see the deleted contacts here, and you can go and press empty bin now. Confirm a decision, and it says contacts in the bin will be permanently deleted and this can't be undone. That's what we want to do, so we can go and press empty the bin, and then we need to go and verify that it's us. I'll do that now. And you need to go and enter in your password, and then the data is going to go and be deleted. So it's that simple. If you found this useful and want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more useful guides.